Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, today we are going to see array methods. So we are going to see specifically IsArray and Erase method. So let me recap you what we have done yesterday. Let me open the agendas arrays method. Yesterday we have seen two methods, Lbound and Ubound. Lbound has syntax of array will be the Lbound has syntax of this. Array will be the first parameter, dimension will be second parameter. It is optional. If the array has more dimensional, then it will be useful. Ubound has a similar kind of syntax where array is the first parameter, dimension is optional. We have seen this example where it says upper limit of the array is 5, upper limit of the second dimension of array is 4, lower limit of the first dimension of the array is 0, and the lower limit of the second dimension of an array is 0. Let us see yesterday's code, what we have written. So this was an array 5, 4. The upper limit is 5, the lower limit is 4. It is a two-dimensional array. Now, let me write another agenda. We'll continue the same agenda, by the way. So this will be the second method. So let us continue with today's session. Today we'll see is array. It basically tells whether the given value is array or not. So syntax is array. The parameter should be an array. And the fourth one is arrays. So it basically erases an array. Syntax arrays dot array value. So these are the two methods, guys. First method is array. It basically tells whether the given value, which is the parameter of is array or not. Here we'll get two values, Boolean values true or false. Here the return type is null. In the sense, like when we erase an array, when we put a message box to a definite array, so we'll get a value as blank. So let me save this. Let me open a simple array. Let me take dim a2, 2 message box is array of a. Let me write dim b equal to 2 and let me elaborate this value, right? The type of a or maybe Boolean value should come with the proper string statements is a an array. So answer will be this. Let me write ampersand here. Let me copy the same message box. Let me write here is b an array. Let me save this. Save as. Let me write. Let me save it as IsArray.vbs. So let me double click it. So what was the first value? First value was A. So is array of A we gave. So is A an array? That is true. Now is B an array? B was a simple variable which had a two value. So it is false. Now let us see one more example where we can erase an array. So dim A of 4. Let me take 2. We may have 2. So let me assign values A of 0 equal to 1, A of 1 equal to 2, A of 2 equal to 3. Let me print the values. The first element value is, we'll write not plus here, is, we'll put colon, ampersand A of 0. Let me copy this. Let me paste it. Let me write A of 1, A of 2, third element value, second element value. Now I'll just write erase A. So even I can write erase of A. I'll copy the same values. I'll put it here. Let me save this as array.vbs. Let me double click it. So I'll get the first value as 1, second value as 2, third value as 3. Now the array is erased. So again, if you have seen the program, I've copied the same lines. The first element is null, second element is null, and third element is. So we have erased the array completely, guys. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.